When you receive the ChillpackTravelmate, all you have to do is unbox and put the straps in the locking mechanism. Isn't it beautiful? You can fit your water bottle, phone, wallet, keys, headphones, and charger if you need to in the front two pockets. In the main pocket you can fit 16 gatherings, 16 cuties, and 16 Rice Krispies, or whatever combination you want to bring on your adventure. It will keep your snacks and drinks cold for as long as you need. Simply put it on your back or carry it and you're ready to go. You can also take a seat with it whenever you need. No need to carry an extra chair. Share what you bring with the team or friends. When you're done with the ChillpackTravelmate, you can store it easily and out of the way.